Where are we? Tell everyone where we are.
Alaqua.
And what's behind us?
Parrots.
Yeah, it's a huge parrot. It's bigger than your head.
Don't give me it.
I won't.
It's kind of as big as you can see. Right here and there.
No.
Oh, this horsies, they're bigger than me. I think a little bit bigger than Daddy. They look sad.
Aww.
Kind of looks like she has kittens. Well, you might have to see. The kittens are loud here.
Maddie, what did the cat say?
Meow, meow.
What does that mean?
Mikey, be careful.
I think they said, pick me, pick me.
Oh. Can you see Mikey?
Oh, Mikey. Huh. I don't know if that's safe.
There's one in there.
Actually, I like the orange cats.
Look, Maddie, there's one inside there.
Oh. Okay, kitty? Need a little help, silly? Cat. I like the white cat the best. I think the white cat's pregnant. I think it's laying an egg, the girl one.
Oh my god, I like this one. Whatever that pretty one is.
The
He's
chicken.
shaking his head. How does he move? Can you show me how he moves his head?
He kind of shakes it. It's a peacock, you know. Oh, look at him run around. Ready or not, here I come. Found you. You just came out of your height. Why you always?
There's one here. That's not as colorful.
That's a peacock.
I don't know what that is actually.
Mikey, stay off the fence.
That's a peacock. It's a peacock. We went to see the cats, and we went to see the dogs, and we went to see the horses and the birds, and some chickens, peacocks, and birds, and puppies.
And
Don't take a picture, don't scare them.
Maddie, what did we?
We donated our cat food all to the Alaqua, so all the cats can have more food.